Here we have an Audi Q3, straight from LJ Hooker Roads. It's another fresh morning, another fresh wrap. So what we're going to be doing with this one is putting a satin white base actually on the bottom half, a gloss black on the top, so it's going to be a really nice, smart looking vehicle. We've got some logos going over the top as well. We've got Ed behind me taking off the door handles, other bits and pieces just to make sure it's a nice, clean, seamless wrap. After that, we're going to be doing a nice detail, a clay bar, just to make sure when the vinyl goes on, we're not going to get any imperfections or bits and pieces left on the underneath the vinyl. So stay tuned and we'll show you the rest of the vehicle. Here we have the LJ Hooker Roads Audi Q3. They came into us with a look very much of a sophistication, just to portray to their customers. They've got a booming business in roads, and we wanted to make sure that we complement that style. So what we've gone with is a satin base, a satin white base on the bottom, and a 3M gloss black on the top. The bottom here is an Avery Denison product, and what we've done is we've gone over the top with some gloss decals. We've printed them up on our latex printer upstairs and put a gloss laminate over the top to protect the print and to avoid any scratching. So I think overall the look is a look of class and sophistication. So I think these customers will be very happy.